The real world and the spiritual world have always been considered opposites, but in the middle of them, there is an extremely interesting threshold, a space where the border that divides them is erased. In this space, one of the best hidden secrets of humanity is hidden, the connection with the mind of God. When we begin to discover what this concept hides, we enter the most intimate secrets of the cosmos, where every thought, every emotion, and every action are intertwined in a cosmic dance of creation and manifestation. What does this connection really mean? How can we access it and manifest our deepest dreams? On this journey into the unknown, we will venture into the depths of the soul and explore the mysteries of the divine mind. Stay until the end and take your mind to the next plane. Join me on this fascinating journey to the heart of the universe, where we will discover the ancient secrets that teach us to co-create our reality and align our desires with the flow of the cosmos. Get ready to discover the infinite power that lies within you and connect with the mind of God to manifest your most extraordinary dreams. The notion of connection with the mind of God suggests that there is a higher force driving the universe and that each of us has access to it. This idea is not only based on spiritual concepts, but also on a deeper understanding of the nature of the universe. When we talk about the mind of God, we are actually referring to a cosmic or divine intelligence that is present everywhere and at all times. This intelligence is imbued with love, kindness, and infinite wisdom. And when we recognize our connection to this universal mind, we open ourselves to a constant flow of inspiration, guidance, and support in our daily lives. This connection with the mind of God is not reserved for a privileged few, contrary to what one may think, but is available to all of us. It's like tuning into a particular frequency. When we align ourselves with the vibration of love and truth, we connect with this infinite source of power and become channels for its expression in the world. If we focus our energy on creating this connection, we can experience greater inner peace, mental clarity, and purpose in our lives. We feel supported by something bigger than ourselves, and this gives us the confidence and strength to face challenges with grace and determination. This connection awakens what we call divine power, which is nothing more than the power of God that runs through our body. And this concept is not at all new. The notion of divine power within each individual is an idea deeply rooted in many spiritual and philosophical traditions. As we have been taught, it manifests itself through our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It is the force that drives us to create, love, grow, and expand in all areas of our lives. And we can only access this power by aligning ourselves with our true nature and with the universe. In this way, we become what we call conscious co-creators of our reality, using it for our own benefit and that of our environment. By understanding that this power is available and accessible, you open the door to endless possibilities to solve everyday challenges and create the life you want. But with this power comes great responsibility, as it involves having a clear understanding of one's goals and desires. The only way to harness this power correctly is to have your goals and objectives well identified. Only after achieving this can we employ various tools and practices to align thoughts, emotions, and actions with those goals. And one of the most powerful is creative visualization, a technique that allows us to manifest and make our thoughts and desires real. Clearly visualizing the desired results and feeling the emotions associated with them programs our subconscious, allowing us to make the most of that divine connection. You acquire a greater ability to solve problems and find creative solutions to difficult situations. And this is not luck. It is a reward from God for aligning yourself with His ideals and your own nature. Recognizing the divine presence in life is essential to cultivating a deeper connection with the sacred and to finding a greater sense of purpose and meaning. This perspective invites us to view life as a precious gift, full of opportunities to grow, learn, and contribute to the world around us. In this way, a deep sense of interconnection and unity with all creation is promoted, which encourages us to see beyond superficial appearances and recognize the divine spark that resides in every human being and in every aspect of nature. This recognition leads us to adopt an attitude of reverence and gratitude towards life, recognizing that each present moment is an opportunity to experience the divine presence in our lives. It invites us to cultivate greater awareness and appreciation for the gifts and blessings that surround us, from the moments of joy and happiness to the challenges and difficulties that help us grow and evolve. Accepting divine guidance also involves recognizing that within each of us lies an innate wisdom and connection to the divine that can illuminate our path and provide answers to the challenges we face in life. This acceptance invites us to trust our intuition and the inner voice that speaks to us from the depths of our being. Only when we recognize divine guidance is already present within us do we open ourselves to receiving the answers and clarity we need in every moment of our lives. This involves letting go of the need to control every aspect of our lives and trusting the process of life. Knowing that we are being guided and supported by forces greater than ourselves. This recognition reminds us that we are not alone in our journey, and that we can always turn to the wisdom and love that lies within us for guidance and support. To connect with divine guidance, it is essential to reserve moments of tranquility in our daily lives. In this space, we allow ourselves to step away from external noise and distractions, to tune into our inner voice and the presence of the divine within us. And they can be as simple as spending a few minutes each day in meditation or quiet reflection. These moments can also be a great opportunity to talk to God or express our intentions and concerns in the form of prayer, with the intention of establishing and strengthening our connection with the divine. Whether through formal prayer or simply speaking out loud to what we consider a higher force, this act of communication helps us establish an open and sincere dialogue with the divine. This is linked to another great practice, holding thoughts and being open to receiving divine guidance in our daily lives. This attitude leads us to see everything from a place of gratitude, knowing that we are being guided and supported every step of the way. By staying receptive and open to the signs and synchronicities around us, we can recognize the presence and guidance of the divine in our daily lives, which gives way to the process that everyone wants to achieve, but only a few achieve: the change of thinking. The transformation of our thoughts and vibrations is essential to cultivate a more positive and harmonious life. And it is only possible when we act from positivism and cut ties with everything that limits us. One way to do this is to practice mindfulness, which allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment and then replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, if we find ourselves thinking in terms of scarcity or lack, we can change those thoughts to affirmations of abundance and gratitude. The environment is also essential in this case. It is important to surround ourselves with people, environments, and activities that uplift and inspire us. It is an effect almost typical of human beings. Being close to positive vibrations, we naturally begin to tune into that energy and attract more positive experiences into our lives. Remember that gratitude is not just an activity, it is a state of mind. It must become a habit for you to be grateful, not just a matter of a few hours, or else it will have no effect. In this way, we can focus on what we have instead of what we lack. We cultivate an abundance mentality and generate positive vibrations that attract more good things into our lives. Transforming our way of thinking is essential to address life's challenges more effectively and constructively. Instead of focusing exclusively on the problems and obstacles we encounter, we can train our minds to look for solutions and opportunities for growth. This shift in focus invites us to trust that the answers to our challenges are already present within us, as part of the divine power that flows through each of us. And recognizing this connection with the mind of God allows us to access a deeper level of wisdom and mental clarity to find creative and effective solutions. In short, thought transformation involves changing our mindset from problem to solution, trusting in the presence and guidance of the divine mind in our lives. By doing so, we can develop greater resilience, creativity, and mental clarity to face challenges and live more fully and satisfyingly. So don't be afraid to open yourself to this new connection, which will allow you to see much beyond what your eyes show you. Work on yourself. Work on your spirituality, your mind, and your body alike. It all adds up when it comes to connecting with who you really are. Start the change now, and you will see how everything you dreamed of comes true in front of you. What do you think about this topic? Leave your thoughts in comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.